Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by setting up a clean workspace and getting your tools ready. This ensures accuracy and prevents mistakes. First, measure the distance from the shoulder or bust point to where the dart should sit, then mark the center line and ends on the shirt's wrong side. Once done, press the area flat so the fabric lays true. Make sure your marks are visible and secure them with a couple of pins. This first step defines fit and avoids uneven pulling later. Now you fold the fabric so the right sides touch and the marked center line matches perfectly. This creates the dart shape. Once folded, pin along the marked lines, placing pins perpendicular to the seam and reducing pin length near the tip so the fabric stays flat. You'll sew starting at the wide end, using a steady stitch length, and taper toward the point without backstitching at the tip. This prevents a bulky knot. After sewing, leave a long thread tail to finish the tip by hand if needed. Finish by trimming seam allowance to about 0.5 cm if the dart creates bulk, and clip into the wider end slightly on curved areas so the fabric lies smoothly. Press the dart toward the center back or down toward the hem, depending on shirt style, using steam to relax fibers and set the shape. Finally, try the shirt on and check balance. If you see puckering or unevenness, resew with a slightly smaller intake or redistribute fabric.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.